You say you want to be rich, but your screen time says you're a spectator, not a player. You scroll for 4 hours a day, post nothing, build nothing, but still complain about being broke. Truth is, you don't want freedom, you want comfort. You don't want wealth, you want dopamine. But let me tell you something, no one is coming to save you. The people getting rich in 2025 aren't better than you, they're just using the same phone differently. So let's cut the fluff. If you want money, if you want options, I'm about to show you exactly how people are getting paid from their phones. Right now. You're already using TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Now imagine you were using them on purpose. Right now, people are making $5,000 to $50,000 per month off short-form content, not because they're famous, but because they're consistent and smart. Here's how it works. Start with a scroll-stopping hook. Ask a question. Say something controversial. Deliver quick value, a tip, a result, a mini story. End with a call to action. Follow, link in bio, or check the comments. You don't even need to show your face. Use stock footage, use voiceover, use AI. What matters is the message, not the face behind it. The algorithm pushes content, not creators. So if you keep showing up with value, you win. And when that content blows up, that's your gateway to income through affiliate offers or digital products. Don't have your own product? Use someone else's. Affiliate marketing is the starter pack for online income, and it works. Here's what you do. Pick a product in a niche you like. Mindset, fitness, AI, crypto, skincare, whatever. Make content that shows off the problem that product solves. Link it in your bio. Get paid when someone buys. Platforms like ClickBank, Digistore24, Gumroad, or even creator-specific programs have offers ready right now. It costs $0 to start. But here's the key. The content builds trust, and trust converts. If you're broke, you're not broke because of the economy. You're broke because you're not selling anything. Want income while you sleep? Sell a digital product. Write an ebook. Build a Notion planner. Create a Canva template. Package your ChatGPT prompt list. Film a 30-minute mini course on something you know. Host it on Gumroad, Stan Store, or PayHip. Price it at $7 or $27. Now promote it through short-form content. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to be one chapter ahead of your audience. Build once, sell forever. Let's be brutally honest. You don't need more time. You need more action. Your phone isn't the problem. It's the solution you're misusing. Every time you scroll past another success story and feel jealous, that's your potential staring back at you, and you're ignoring it. So here's the truth. You can either keep watching these videos, or you can finally start making them. You can either use your voice or keep consuming theirs. Start messy, start broke, start unqualified, but start. If this hit you, don't just like it. Share it, bookmark it, then close this app and start building something.